I originally planned to make a comparison video between this Vostok Amphibia, a Russian manufactured watch from the early 90s, and a fresh, brand new, unopened one. It would not be an apples to apples comparison as this is a manual and the new one I purchased was an automatic. But unfortunately, I did not get any further. You see, this was sold as a vintage 90s model, but unfortunately, as is always a risk when you purchase a used watch on eBay, well, this turned out to be a complete lemon. The watch showed signs of prior water ingress, and this is concerning considering it's supposed to be a 200 meters diver's watch. Notice the rust around the outer rim of the case? The dial did not look too bad as long as you enjoy the look of badly touched up lume spots. And I found that the glass had been replaced without its tension ring, so there's that. So I've ordered some parts in order to restore their 90s model, and I'll make a video shortly to let you know how I got on. But now let's turn our attention to the new Vostok. I ordered this off eBay and it came in this cheap plastic case. I'm not really worried about that as the watch only really cost £45 to purchase. The listing stated that the watch had the Vostok 2416B movement. I suspect that it's more likely to be a 2415 as it has no calendar. But opening the box, I found some paperwork, unsurprisingly in Russian, and of course the watch itself. Now the watch seems to be made of a soft rubber and it feels, well, rather nice to the touch. The case is stainless steel, but the rotating bezel seems to be chrome plated, most likely brass. There is a fixed stainless steel watch back and this is held secure with a screw down ring. I'm going to use my case opener to loosen this and I can remove the back to expose the movement. Now the first thing to notice is its plastic movement ring, but I will give them credit. That shade of red is fantastic, and you can see the Vostok company logo is etched on the oscillating weight. So let's see what the current performance is. I've wound up this movement and I'm placing the watch on my timing machine. And I need to set the lift angle of the machine to 42 degrees. So in the dial down position, we're getting plus 20 seconds per day. And moving the watch to the pendant down, this changes quite dramatically to around minus 7 seconds per day. Pendant forward, we have plus 35 seconds per day. And the dial up position, well, we're getting plus 40 seconds per day. So we have a deviation of up to 47 seconds between the fastest and the slowest positions. Not brilliant to be fair, but we will see if we can improve that. But first of all, I'm going to strip this watch down and of course clean all the movement parts. And now I'll put the movement back together with fresh lubrication. Now I need to deal with the huge amount of positional error, and to do this I'm going to be using the Griner method of dynamic poising. Now this method basically involves testing the movement on a timing machine in 8 different positions and recording the fastest rate, and this will help me to find the heavy spots around the balance. Now removing these heavy spots will help to tighten up the rate deviation between the positions. Now here you can see a long groove. This is made by the manufacturer in order to help poise the balance when it was being put together. Now these additional spots were made by me to remove material from the heavy spots in order to get the desired result. And I made these spots using a special tool from Bergen. After a little bit of tweaking, I was able to improve the performance. As you can see, the pendant forward position is now gaining plus 6 seconds per day. The dial-up position is, well, around 1 or 2 seconds per day. And the pendant down position is gaining around 2 seconds per day. So the maximum deviation is now less than 10 seconds per day. I can be pleased with that. Now this watch seems to be a solid little workhorse. The parts are a little bit rough and the timekeeping out of the box left little to be desired. But I do understand that this can be a bit hit and miss. I mean, you might be luckier than me. But after tweaking, I did manage to get a much healthier heartbeat. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you have one of these watches? Let us know what the performance is that you're getting. Or is this watch something that you're considering? Has this video put you off or made you even more determined to get one? I'm interested to know. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my review of this Vostok Amphibia automatic watch. If you've not done so already, then please subscribe to this channel. It's free, and if you hit the bell icon, well, then you'll be informed whenever I publish new content, including the 90s Vostok restoration that I've got planned. Now, this video was brought to you with the help and support of my patrons. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.